In this video, I want to talk about how you can use eToro to make money. Now, on eToro, there's something called a copy trader. So if you're not very good at investing yourself, you can just copy people who are proven to have good returns. So if you go to the copy trader and you just show here the most copied, let's say this guy right here, you can see these are his years. So you can see the average return on 2 years, right, is 62%. So if you would have copied him and over the last 2 years, it would have been 62%. So you can just see all the people here under the copy trader, this guy as well, and you can see their years. So you don't have to do anything, just copy here and it will automatically copy the trades. So this is a good way to get some money if you don't know how to invest yourself. Now keep in mind, like always, when you invest, there will always be risks and it's not a guaranteed way to make money, but these guys are pretty good. So that is basically how it's done, guys. I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.